Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to update HP Omen BIOS. First, check your current BIOS version, press Windows and R at the same time, then type msinfo32 and press enter. In the system information window, look for BIOS version or date and note it down for reference. Next, prepare your laptop. Make sure it is connected to power and that the battery is fully charged. Close all running applications before proceeding. Then visit HP support. Open a browser and go to HP's official support website. Enter your HP Omen model number and navigate to the drivers and software section. Then find the BIOS category. Compare your current BIOS version with the latest available. If a newer version exists, download the BIOS update. The file will usually be an executable. To run the BIOS update, first close all applications and temporarily disable your antivirus. Then, double-check the downloaded exe file and follow the on-screen instructions. Your laptop may restart automatically during this process. Some HP Omen models require you to enter BIOS during the update. If prompted, press ESC then F10 during boot to start the BIOS update and follow the on-screen instructions to apply the update. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.